Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome back to my channel Sabah's Kitchen Diaries. Today I'm making Chia pudding. This meal is trending nowadays, so I thought of trying it. If you're liking my content so far, subscribe to my channel and turn the notification on so you're always notified on time. Let's start the recipe now. So friends, if you like this recipe, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you for watching and Allah Hafiz.